Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best cappuccino machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Gevi Cappuccino Machine. Gevi Cappuccino Machine offers a durable and reliable espresso coffee machine with high power and 15 bars of pressure to pull a rich and perfect espresso, one after another. It is a reliable and professional espresso machine for commercial use, but it can also be used at home. The Gevi espresso machine offers a 1.5L water tank with self-purging function and is equipped with a steam wand for making cappuccinos latte hot chocolate. The design of double thermocoupler provides double protection from overheating, so you can enjoy a long time working with this espresso machine. This espresso maker from Gevi is a great addition to your kitchen with a number of features that make it a pleasure to use. The ergonomic steam wand makes it easy to froth milk, and the 15-bar pressure system allows you to make delicious espresso and cappuccino. This machine has an easy-to-use push-button filter holder and a removable drip tray to make cleaning quick and simple. The transparent water tank makes the remaining water level visible, and the 1.5L capacity allows you to make up to 6 large cups. This espresso maker comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. Chefman Cappuccino Machine. The Chefman 6-in-1 is an automatic cappuccino machine that brews from single to double shots with a powerful 15-bar pump and a 1.8-liter water tank that can brew up to 15 single shots. The innovative espresso machine comes with a stainless steel boiler, self-priming operation, direct steam valve, and a detachable drip tray for easy cleanup. The cappuccino and latte coffee maker comes with a built-in milk frother for perfect cappuccino and latte. The automatic cappuccino machine requires a plug-in and uses a standard, grounded 110V power outlet. The Chefman 6-in-1 espresso machine is a high-quality espresso machine that allows you to enjoy the finest of espresso without any compromise. The froth of your cappuccino or latte is not just a layer of foam on top, it's a careful balancing act of air and steam that forms the perfect microfoam. This takes a little longer than other methods, but Chefman's froth system makes it easy to get the same quality at home with each cup served. The process is quite simple and involves filling of water into the boiler, filling of milk into the frothing jug, and heating of milk in the frothing jug till it gets warmed up. Then, you place the jug underneath the espresso machine, place the nozzle and push the button. The milk will get frothed and the espresso will begin to flow. It is that easy to enjoy a cafe-style cappuccino or latte at your home. Number 3. Keurig Cappuccino Machine. The Keurig K-Cafe single-serve K-Cup coffee maker combines the convenience of a single-cup brewer with the richness of brewed coffeehouse beverages. The K-Cafe includes a patented removable water reservoir, so you can brew the cup of your choice directly into a mug or travel cup. No matter where your day takes you, you'll never be more than a moment away from your favorite beverages. The included frother means you'll always have a delicious hot beverage to go with you. Now, you can enjoy everything your favorite coffeehouse has to offer, without the price. With its ability to brew a selection of hot and cold beverages, the Keurig K-Cafe is the perfect choice for someone looking for a hot cup of coffee or a cold glass of iced tea. With the Keurig K-Cafe, you'll never be tied to a schedule again. The K-Cafe cappuccino and latte maker is designed for use with the separately available frothing disc, which works with every K-cup pod size and makes 4 frothing discs available for purchase. The frother includes a separate cleaning brush to eliminate residue. 48 K-cup pods are included to get you started, and each K-cup pod brews a perfect, fresh beverage every time. Keurig K-Cafe features a dishwasher-safe, reusable and recyclable milk frother, as well as a water filter handle. Number 2. De'Longhi Cappuccino Machine. De'Longhi presents the Stelosa manual espresso machine. Perfect for creating creamy cappuccinos and lattes, the Stelosa features a manual steam wand with a 15-bar pump pressure. The wand is constructed with stainless steel and a brass base. For convenience, the machine's steam wand is detachable, so you can prepare both cappuccinos and lattes to order. For convenience, the machine features a removable drip tray. The Stelosa is constructed with stainless steel and a brushed black finish. This machine measures 12 3/4 by 9 by 14 1/4 inches. Easy to use and clean, this espresso machine has a self-priming function to make cleanup a breeze. You can choose between 2 cup sizes, 2 espresso sizes and 2 milk foam amounts. Perfect for cappuccinos or lattes, the included milk frother will froth hot or cold milk in seconds. Use the dedicated hot water dispenser to make hot chocolate, tea, or Americanos. The Delaney manual espresso machine is designed with an ergonomically designed handle, making it easy to pick up, hold and pour. With a stylish black and stainless steel look, this espresso machine will look great next to your other kitchen appliances. Number 1. Mr. Coffee Cappuccino Machine. The Mr. Coffee CCM 100 is one of the best cappuccino and espresso makers by Mr. Coffee. It fries up to 2 delicious servings of cappuccino and espresso. This machine is programmable, so you can wake up to your favorite beverage in the morning. Its 15-bar pump is ideal for creating various cappuccino beverages, from frothed milk to your favorite brew. The Mr. Coffee Milk Frother adds real milk, foam and flavor to your drink. The cappuccino machine features a 15-bar pump, and the coffee maker has a pulse action to remove excess air from the milk. The appliance also has a removable drip tray, a convenient cup warmer and a removable filter basket. The coffee machine has a slide lever that allows you to adjust the brew strength in your coffee machine. The appliance is made of metal and has a stainless steel finish. It is easy to clean, and the user manual contains cleaning instructions. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.